Listen, I'm using OBS right now because I tried using Records on this. It didn't really work well. So I'm gonna be using OBS. I hope that's okay for you. Anyways, I'm gonna be playing Untitled Goose Game by House. Yay. House. Okay, let's play. Loading. Actually, wait. Wait. Options. Because it's OBS, I can use full screen. Yes. I love OBS. How do I move in this game? To move, double click to run. Oh, those are bad controls. Why? Um, okay. Yeah. Mouse, move. Which button? What? This. Oh, select enter. W A what? W A. Okay, I guess I cannot do that. Inputs are missing. Oh, okay. I guess I'll do H. W to move, double click to run. Oh, but how do I? Oh, using the arrow keys. Okay. There you go. What? Oh, mouse move. Yeah, keep mouse move. Zoom out, middle. Then middle click. How do I zoom in? Oh, okay. Let's do this! Oh! Nice. I am Sneaky Goose. Sneaky Goose! How long have I been recording? Okay, only for 3 minutes. I can do longer than that. Hold this to use your beak. What? Bend down. Okay, control. Press like. Oh! Nice! How do you, oh, there you go. That's how. So can I grab this piece of wood? Bend down. But bend. Bend. No. Bend down. And then get it. There we go. Now what do I do with it? I guess I move on to the next section. Never mind, I don't. Because there's a thing. Oh. Boop. Boop. I am smart and loose. Okay, let go of it. There you go. Boy! Oh. Hold X to spread your wings. Nice. Untitled Goose Game. Oh, I can run! Wait, let me just... Oh, I can also use shift to run. Nice. Let me... I'ma run! Yay. No. I guess I exist. Tab. Get into the garden. Get the groundskeeper wet. Is that the person that we saw with the is that the gardener that we saw? Okay. First stop. How do I get in? Okay, I'd like to zoom in, please. In. I guess I can't zoom in. Let me in! I am a goose and I have dignity. What will I grab? Oh, I can grab wheat. Give me the wheat! Lawnmower. Lawnmower. Give me the lawnmower! I want the lawnmower. I am depressed. Oh, nice. We should give that. Lol. Run. Run as fast as you can. Oh, she's looking for the silver now. Into the garden. Yay. How do I get the groundskeeper wet? It looks like it's a hose. Nice. I guess I'll get a rose. Rose and hose. How do I grab the rose? I have to bend down. No. What? I got the groundskeeper wet? When did I do that? There you go. How long have I been recording? Okay, you can record for longer. I'll record for not long. For not that long. For not that long though. Okay, what do I do? Wait, tab. I can't read this! Wait. Options. Language, English, to-do list, plain. Okay, steal the groundskeeper's keys. Make the... How do I... Lake in the lake. Okay, I can do that. Grab the lake. Bruh! Okay, I guess I can't grab the lake. Oh, I can see his keys! I can see his keys! Run! You little goose. Goose, goose. Bing. Steal it! No! Okay, grab the thing. They're gonna like... Run! Go! Run, little goose! Think of Pac-Man! Who's the backpack? It was. Hey, no, my good, like my thing. How do I honk? Grab it! Grab it! No. What button do I have to press? Hey. Okay. Grab. Mouse. Okay, zoom out. Mouse move, run, grab. Honk. Oh, space is the honk. Yes! No, I got it! Click it! I think that's gonna be it for this video. Bye!